Good morning, it is day 96 and it's town day. Yesterday, it wasn't a great day for most of the day. It was a very blah day. It was in snow for most of it, either solid snow or mixed terrain. It was a bit, almost seemed repetitive, sort of climb a hill, go along a ridge a bit, drop a hill, climb a hill, go along a ridge a bit, drop a hill. Slight sections of dirt as I climbed, well, a couple of the hills. And as I say, the rest was snow. So there was no distinctive features. There was not really anything in particular. Just blah. But then after a big hill climb, got up onto a ridge where it was largely clear of snow. It was, I had beautiful views. There were flowers. So it's nice. Along that ridge for a bit, a couple of snow patches. Dropped down to a saddle through the snow. Climbed back up, and another lovely ridge. Largely open, flowers, and a deer. There's a good deer sighting. It bounded down in front of me, and then once it got down a bit, it just stopped and stood there for a while. Let me have a good look at it. And I saw a lizard. Oh, it's only my second lizard. The other lizard was by Tualamine Falls. And this lizard, second lizard since Kennedy Meadows. Woo! Yeah! And so I quite enjoyed the day. It's really windy up on the ridges yesterday. So I didn't want to camp up there, and I needed some water. So I just pushed on an extra half hour past my normal distance. But thankfully my legs had been tired just before sort of the hill up to the last ridge. They were quite tired, but thankfully recovered because it was mainly downhill. Yeah, quite enjoyed the downhill. Camped just above the river. So today I have 16 miles. I am dropping down, I think I'm at around 7,000 feet. And I dropped down to 4,000 something feet. And in fact, after 2 miles, it's the last time I'm above 7,000 feet today, which is nice. So, lots of dropping today. I'm hoping dropping in altitude means not much snow. There was a comment in Gut Hooks from quite a while ago now that a road junction that I get to, that it's 95% clear of snow from there, which hopefully, given the time since that comment was written, means it might be almost clear. So mainly downhill, mainly clear of snow, 16 miles and town. So I should get in there late afternoon, hopefully. All right. Oh, it's cooler this morning, much cooler. Had to have my jacket on, and my fingers are tingling. That's a bit of a shock after the last couple of mornings, which have been lovely. All right, so, yay! Wow, this is a beautiful trail. Smooth, barely any rocks, beautiful trees, underbush, slightly downhill, luxury trail. Just need the sun to warm it up a little bit. That's perfect. Good morning, panorama. There's a lake there under that mountain. Forest, beautiful trail. Just come out into the sun, so it should start to warm up. Once again, lovely rocky mountain there. Forest. Woo! still really windy, and that wind is cold this morning. I think my jacket's staying on for a while today. Even with the sun out, it's still very chilly. Whew. It's a neat lava formation with a little hole in it. 3 deer just bounding up there. A little too slow with my camera. I didn't see them until they moved. Right. Really enjoying this beautiful trail. Lovely forest, lovely sounds. This is the most advanced I've seen these ones. They're starting to open up a bit. Cool. Forest restoration. This harvesting was done to salvage weak and dying trees. The new young forest will occur from planted and natural trees. This area was harvested in 1992, site prepared in 1993 and 1994. Okay, that's why there's not many trees over there. Mind you, 1992, there should be some decent sized trees. I wonder if that's what these occasional trees are. Nice. Oh, hello. What's in here? Ooh, even goes under. That's a nice little nest for something. Alright. Alright, they really want us to know that it's laser meadow that way. I'm not going that way. I'm going this way. Can't see because of the sun. There's 2 more deer. Ooh. That puts my number up to 16 deer now. This is the Jackson Meadow Reservoir. It really opens up there, so hopefully I'll get a bit of a view. Really enjoying this. One of the big things is my mind is able to relax because I'm not having to navigate. Yeah, I can really relax, which is lovely. It's been very few stretches where I haven't had to constantly be thinking about where I'm going. Whoop, there you go, through there. Oh, it's even got a little island. Cool. Alright, road 19 November 07. Half a mile. Alright, I am now on this road for a little bit. So an actual road walk on a sealed road. Ooh. Now this is the easy way to do a river crossing. Woo! I like the grating. You can see the river underneath. Yeah, it's a pretty river. And road walking. A long road walk. Road walk over. And back on trail. Woo! Nice, clear signage. Spray painted on the road, as well as the big sign here on the tree, which I could see for quite a while. Nice. Alright, so Highway 49, 11.5 miles. Woo! That's right, turn off for town. Alright. Climbing steadily since that little road walk. Now I've just crossed the saddle, and now I think the rest of the descent happens, so it's a long way to drop still. Hopefully it's nice and gradual. Barely even noticed that hill. Been on a track that was just slowly making its way up. Yeah, it's nice. Now I'll slowly make my way down. This is a bit of a change from the forest. What's around the corner? Best part about hiking is always what's around the corner. We'll be going back into forest. It's just this one little patch of stone with some big boulders down the bottom. So I make it through the Sierras without any major injuries, and I just about break my neck coming over this. I don't know how, but ooh, wow, that was a solid plant on the ground. Landed on my elbow and my hip and my knee. I've brushed the dirt off, didn't graze it. Woo, wow. That's what happens when you have nice track, you stop concentrating. Woo, wow. Oh, that hurt. No injuries, no pain, just my hip's gonna be bruised. Yeah. Whoops. Top of my foot's sore after that fall. May have just stretched it a little. I'll just keep an eye on it. It's not sharp sore, it's just I can feel it. And I couldn't before I fell, so they must be related. Walking along an old road. I can see that. It's at Jackson Meadows Reservoir in front of me. I'm going all the way back. I'm going in the wrong direction. Oh, these bushes with the little whitish flowers, they smell really good. Yeah. So I was on the side of the lake, came down this steep V, then made my way along to here. Woohoo! Oh, that's handy. Someone has nicely left an arrow and a barrier to say, get up there. Must have been a big storm that came through. Not this year. Must have been last year, because the trail maintenance guys have done a wonderful job and cleared them off. All these massive trees just fallen over. And it just keeps going and going. Wow. Little lake down there. There's a section hiker. He's doing a section from Burnie Falls through to Mount Whitney. Yay! Look at all these ones. I have seen them before, but not so many all at once. So there's a big patch of them here and up ahead. Now the big descent starts, winding a lot of zigzagging down this hill and it going all the way down to the valley. So downhill I go. Count how many zigs and zags I can see, but not actually that many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all I can see from here. Haven't done a panorama today. Here we go. And I'm dropping all the way down to the valley. Big drop. So the trail's traversing now around over that way and now starts zigzagging down there. If there was snow on this steep slope, I'd be really not having a fun time. But I'm loving this. It is so beautiful looking around. Wouldn't want to be standing here in an earthquake. Woohoo! All the way along there where I've just come, and a little bit more this way. Got a river down below me now, I can hear. Now it's cliffs above me. This is a neat trail, lots of variety. These strange looking plants. Just saw 2 day hikers and now there's a bridge. Still appreciate bridges. It's probably going to be a while before I stop being enthusiastic about bridges. But, there's the view. Cute little stream. Little bird really going for it. Woohoo! Alright. Oh, beautiful ferns. Feel like I'm at home. Alright, so from here I have 4.7 miles to go. So a couple more hours and I'm at the road, and they're much closer to home cooked, well, restaurant cooked food. Food I don't have to add water to and put in a bag. Woohoo! And 3 more day walkers, day hikers, with a dog. 3 ladies, so we stopped and had a nice chat. Yeah, wow, all these people, and it's a weekday. It's a Wednesday, so it's not like it's a weekend. Wow. Little section of these tiny ones with these flies. Are they flies or little bees? Anyway, cute little flowers. And another bridge. Woo! Such a pretty little river, stream. It's pity the light's wrong because you can't see very well. Just the vibrant greens of the undergrowth at the moment, the darker pines, and beautiful trail weaving my way through, letting me see stuff as I walk. Oh wow, it's like a holiday. This is my little holiday from the snowy parts of the trail, and it is just gorgeous. I'm really having to hold myself back from just hoofing it and rushing to get to the road, and it's been like this all day. Been consciously trying to make sure I'm just keeping to a normal pace. I'm just not used to the trails enough to push the speed, so in order to conserve my body, just have to hold off on the food for a little bit longer. Once I get used to the dirt trails again, then I can start picking up the speed. But just like at the start where I did a phased introduction to distance and speed, I have to sort of do that now. I mean, I can still walk 20 miles, but it'll take a little bit for my body to get back to this sort of walking. Only a dirt road, but power lines? Oh, civilization! Thankfully, I've still got some more trail. Here's something new. Not sure what it's doing. Let's just lift it up so we can see underneath. Oh wow, look at that. That is so cool. Very different from anything I've seen. Okay, leave it be. That's what the leaves look like. We're a city, 4 miles. I hadn't looked at my map about where the actual town was. I thought I was going to have to hitch to it. But I probably still will try. It's still a mile of extra walking. Yeah, I am just under 3 miles, 2.7 miles from the trailhead. Woo! There's a whole lot more insects flying around now, butterflies and dragonflies and other things that I don't know what they are. So lots of life around me, which is nice. And some more new ones. Look at these. Bit windy to get a good shot. Cool. It's a day for flowers. So if you go that way it's Sierra City, but PCT is this way. So that's the way I'm going to go. That beautiful waterfall coming down. And something else which I haven't seen. Oh, these sort of curved petals which are quite cool. Look at these really big butterflies on the track in front. So, see this flower here? Big long stalk. So that's the flower, and then the stalk. Got some lupins. Wow, look at that mountain. I think I go up that after my rest break. I know there's a really big climb that we have to do, and I can see trail zigzagging its way up. Ooh. Hope not. Anyway, it's an impressive mountain. Right. It's nice to be up and out of the trees for a bit. Have a bit of a view. Can we see the city yet? Nah. Round the corner. It's a pretty little pool. Just look how clear that water is. Beautiful. Oh, look at that butterfly. Don't know if I can get it. The wings, it's orange and white, and very hard to get these butterflies. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. I'm gonna get to the road. Here's some new little ones. Similar to ones I saw up in the mountains, but the leaves are more fern-like. Getting close now. I think I'm less than a mile. Yes, heading along the side of this hill. And it should be a left turn and along the road for a little bit before get into the road. Woohoo! After downhill most of the day, this uphill's a bit hard. Just looked at my map, and yes, that is the trail going across and up there. It zigzags further around, but then goes across. Woohoo! Glad there's a bridge over that river. It's a big long bridge, and that's looking downstream. Woo! And then looking upstream. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. It's beautiful because I don't have to try and cross it. Alright, about half a mile to go. I wonder what that's from. Earlier I saw a black bird with a bright red head, or a large portion of the head. Couldn't get it on video. It was pretty cool. Oh, hello. Didn't need to go chasing, it was right there. Alright, 0.1 of a mile. So I've just done 16 and a bit miles in 5 hours and 55 minutes. So technically, by my definition of Nero, which is 6 hours or left, I've just done a 16-mile Nero. And that 16 miles was with me holding back and trying to keep my pace down. However, it was mainly downhill, so I did have a pretty big assist, but wow, pretty chuffed at that. I would have thought, having been in the snow for so long, I would have lost my speed, but nope, that's pretty good. Okay, and that is the road. Wow. It's a pretty quiet road, not much traffic. So I'll touch the sign to go off trail. And off trail. And these pretty flowers right here.
I'm Marilyn.
Same thing, gotcha.
And these are two wonderful trail angels who spontaneously offered to buy me lunch. So thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Wonderful to have met you.
Nice meeting you. Very pleasant.
So I've decided to hand wash today because really it's only my clothes that need it. Sleeping bag liner can wait a little bit longer, but isn't this a lovely colour water? I've just left these soaking before I actually start washing them, and yeah, that is pretty disgusting, and that's just from 6 days. And I sit on a sit pad all the time, so it's not collecting things from sitting on the ground or on rocks and that. That's just sweat and dust that kicks up from walking. So I emptied the water, wrung everything out. So this is round 2 of putting them in the water and just a quick squeezing together. So round 2. Round 3, round 4, and again, it's getting better, and again. Finally, I think one more rinse and then I'm done. Here's a change to my hiking poles, the snow plate cup. Not sure what you call them. That's coming off and back to my normal ones.